What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the Lazy Channel. Today we're doing a try not to laugh dog edition. Normally I don't try not to laugh, but I'm just gonna sit here dead inside. Drop a like for the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate it. It helps get it to more people. And if you're going to enjoy the video, subscribe, please. Thank you. We're on the road to 100K. We're trying to get another one of those. Let's hop into it. I shall not laugh. There's no rules against smiling. I just can't laugh.
Oh my gosh. That's part of my day.
Aww. That's so cute.
How are you still asleep, little boy? Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning.
Don't drop him, fool.
Hey.
Don't drop him.
I love eating What the fuck? You don't jump. Are you shit fucking me right now? Here you go. No, yes.
That's a cat. Oh, that's a dog. Stupid animal.
These are words my dog knows according to my dog. Look. Speak. Do you want to go in the car? Thank you.
It looks like my dog.
Okay. Good boy. Good boy.
What are you doing?
I think he's stuck, fool.
I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little snicky snake.
Whoa! That's karma for biting me, bud.
Yeah, now he scratched your
Does the dog do this?
ass.
Sit. Wait. Sit.
Oh, the dog's cute
Put
as
your hand on your head.
hell.
They use you.
Yo!
Was. Anybody want her?
Yes. What do you have in your mouth? Spit it out. Spit it out.
Look at his face.
Did you change your mind? Would you like to come inside? I saw Snowy.
Aww.
You want to come in? You want to come in? Okay. Okay, come inside. Come in now. Come in. Good girl. Stop. Oh.
Oh! Did that hurt? Oh. All I gotta say is, I haven't laughed yet, gamers. And I'm not gonna laugh. We're almost halfway through the video already. I'm not gonna laugh. It's just not gonna happen.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Nova, don't jump in the water. Give me that. Really?
Peekaboo, I found you. Where are you? Peekaboo, I see you. Where am I? Here I am. Where'd you go?
What? I'm talking about something. What?
That dog built like a jelly bean. I laughed to myself, not the dog. And that wasn't even really a laugh. It was just like a Aww, they missed them. He opened the door.
No, do not put it in here. No.
You can't fit through that.
You can't
fool.
fit, sir.
No.
I know. Sure, you want to go get in and out? What about that?
That would be Boo Boo.
Heidi? Get your ass off the rope!
How
Come
she
here.
even get up there?
Bad! Get
Oh, I guess that's how.
Hi! I missed you too!
This is my favorite dog challenge. Gasp at your dog and see what they do. Gasp dramatically.
What are you doing? He's just loving it. I saw that, yes. Wow.
He's just dragging his dick on the ground. Aw, little puppy. You letting your dog lick your toes?
Oh my god, look what I got! Oh my god! Go, Sammy, go! Oliver, go! Red, here, come here!
It was gone.
Are you kidding me? What is it? What is this?
Oh my god!
Aww.
做不动了还要抱，就不说啊！啊，
Hey, hey, he needs some water.
Time, are you gonna go bye-byes with Dad? Aw, you're such a good girl. Are you going bye-byes? Bye. I love you.
That was cute. And I won. I knew I wasn't gonna laugh. I told you I wasn't gonna laugh. I don't know if you noticed, but I just noticed now that I was about to end the video, I watched that video in 2x speed. That's just how I normally watch videos, and I forgot to turn it off 2x speed when I started recording. Oopsies. Anyways, let me know if you laughed down below in the comments. I won. I didn't laugh. I'm dead inside. I appreciate y'all for watching. I love y'all. Ta-ta.
Ooh, any situation, I'm a big factor. Brought out the Glock with the Ruger, I'm a mismatcher. Ooh, baby, squeeze that punani on me, okay?